Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm going to show you the location of your vapor canister purge solenoid on a 2009 to 2023 Nissan Murano. This is going to be real easy and real quick, so let's get going. I have the engine cover off already, and here we go. Located on the top side of the engine, on the driver's side of the intake plenum, you're going to find your vapor canister purge solenoid. What this solenoid does is allows built-up EVAP or built-up fuel vapors in the EVAP system to flow into the intake and go through the combustion process and cleaned up going out of the tailpipe through the catalytic converters and all that good stuff. When this valve is activated on, it opens up. So it's default closed. When the vehicle's not running, this valve should be shut. If you need to test one of these, you could find a video in my video library on how to bench test one of these, and I'll provide a link in the description below so you could go find that. To test these, it's all the same. First off, it should hold about 5 inches of vacuum using a vacuum pump, and then you give it 9 volts and it should open up and release that vacuum. If you suck on it, you shouldn't be able to suck on it as well, and you shouldn't be able to blow through it when you have it off of the vehicle. These are really easy to test. They commonly go bad, and a major symptom or a most common symptom of one of these or a failure point of one of these is after you pump gas, it takes a lot longer for the engine to crank before you start it. That's a sign that your vapor purge solenoid or valve is going bad. So that's real easy, real quick on this 2009 to 2023 vapor canister purge solenoid on this Nissan Murano. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. If this video did help you out, make sure to comment below, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.